Hey, Robert is getting ready to help Jenny pound a bird, as it were. Which is what you do with chicken wings.
No, you don't want to squeeze the air out of it because it needs air because it's going to change shape.
You're going to keep it open?
This is what you do with chicken when there's no meat mallet around.
Keep it open, and what you want to do is you whack it and you push away, so you're flattening it out to make it even. Oh, come on, really get in there.
I'm going to break Dad's fancy counter.
No. Here, let me show you how it's done. Try again. Let's go.
It's getting a lot thinner.
That is the point of pounding bird.
You want to rotate the bag as you're doing this?
You can even flip it like that.
Oh!
Yeah.
Now we have raw chicken on the counter.
Gross.
Now, Jennifer.
Yes?
How thin do we want these?
You probably want about maybe a ½ inch thickness.
All right then.
All the way around.
Let's get cracking.
Okay, now let's get pounding, buddy.
The bag is not working so good.
What is the problem?
It's too flattened. I'm getting the one done, but not the other one, you know.